Welcome to the step-by-step guide on how to secure your cryptocurrency wallet. Cryptocurrency wallets are essential for storing public and private keys securely. Let's explore the different types of cryptocurrency wallets and their importance. Hardware, software, paper, and mobile wallets each have unique features and benefits. Understanding how wallets work is crucial for secure cryptocurrency transactions. Learn about the importance of wallet security and protecting your digital assets. Strong passwords, reputable providers, and secure connections are key to wallet security. Discover additional security measures to safeguard your cryptocurrency wallet. Enable two-factor authentication and be cautious of phishing scams and malware attacks. Compare the security features and vulnerabilities of different wallet types. Hardware wallets are considered the safest option for protecting your digital assets. Learn how to secure your private keys for enhanced wallet protection. Store private keys offline, encrypt them with strong passwords, and keep multiple copies. Understand the importance of securing your cryptocurrency wallet. Protect your funds and minimize risks in the ever-growing world of cryptocurrency. In conclusion, prioritize wallet security and protect your private keys. Remember to follow the steps discussed to ensure the safety of your digital assets. Thank you for watching and take action to secure your cryptocurrency wallet today. Visit our website for more information and resources on wallet security. Protect your digital assets and stay ahead in the world of cryptocurrencies.